The Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D printer is a powerful large-format FDM printer designed for advanced users, makers, and professionals who want true multi-material and multicolor printing capabilities. Featuring an independent dual-extruder IDEX system, dual direct drive extruders, auto-leveling, and a massive build volume, the SV04 stands out as one of the most affordable and feature-rich IDEX printers available today. One of the biggest highlights of the Sovol SV04 is its independent dual-extruder IDEX system. Unlike traditional dual-nozzle printers, the SV04 uses two completely independent print heads that move separately. This allows users to print with two colors or two materials simultaneously without contamination between filaments. The printer supports 4 printing modes, including single mode, dual mode, mirror mode, and duplicate mode, making it extremely versatile for creative and production-focused projects. The printer offers a large build volume of 300 and 300 and 400 mm, giving users enough space for large prototypes, cosplay parts, engineering projects, and batch printing. The spacious print area makes the SV04 one of the larger IDEX printers in its category, especially at its price point. Sovol equipped the SV04 with dual all-metal direct drive extruders, which provide strong filament grip and precise extrusion control. These direct drive systems handle flexible materials like TPU much better than standard Bowden setups, and also support advanced materials including PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, wood, PA, PC, and PVA. This makes the printer suitable for multi-material printing and support material applications. The automatic bed leveling system helps simplify setup and improve first layer accuracy. The built-in auto-leveling sensor measures the print bed surface and adjusts nozzle positioning automatically, reducing manual calibration work and improving print reliability. Another important feature is the 32-bit silent motherboard with TMC22209 silent drivers. This upgraded board improves printer stability while reducing operational noise significantly compared to older generation 8-bit boards. The quieter performance makes the printer more comfortable for home offices and indoor workshops. To improve motion stability and print accuracy, the SV04 uses a dual Z-axis system with synchronized stepper motors. This setup helps reduce wobbling and keeps taller prints more stable during long printing sessions. The printer also includes a flexible magnetic build plate that makes model removal easier without damaging the printed object. The printer supports recommended print speeds of around 60 mm with maximum speeds reaching up to 120 mph depending on the print mode and material. While dual mode printing can increase total print time because both extruders operate independently, users gain the advantage of true dual color and dual material functionality without frequent filament purging. Community reviews and user experiences generally praise the SV04 for its value and advanced features, especially considering its affordable price compared to other IDEX printers. Many users appreciate its ability to produce high-quality prints once properly calibrated, although some mention that initial setup and extruder alignment may require patience for the best dual printing performance. Overall, the Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D printer is an excellent choice for users who want advanced dual extrusion capabilities, large printing space, and support for multi-material printing without spending premium level prices. Its independent dual extruders, direct drive system, auto leveling, and large build volume make it a strong option for serious hobbyists, engineers, and creative professionals.